Hi guys, out at Thornbury today. Been round the charity shops, now we've come round to the recycling centre and I got my timing wrong. It's actually about 1:15 at the moment, so they're still shut for lunch till 1:30. So, to pass the time, I'll do the charity shop items I've bought today. I've been quite pleased with myself. A little wooden clip together kit. This one's the Ant for £1, so that'll keep me occupied for a few minutes. And then in the next charity shop, I couldn't believe this, a proper genuine metal Tonka toy. No idea how old it is. But pretty good condition. Just a little bit of paint flaking. An absolute beauty. What's that number there? Don't know if the camera will pick that up. 13200. Can't get the light on it right. Yeah, anyway, 13200 is the serial number. It's written there as well. Yeah, £1. I can't believe that. And better than that, I picked that up at the same time and they said, well, I don't know where that came from, you can have that. So another one of my favourites, a lonely remote control. No idea if it works, don't know what frequency it is, but I collect them anyway for all those cars that you buy that don't have remotes. So that's today's charity shop. Gold or garbage. Quite pleased with myself. So that's £2 in total I've spent. No idea if there'll be anything in the recycling centre we want. We'll just have to wait and see when it opens.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily. So don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have 2 shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.